FAIRINO lightweight push-pull welding torch. Ultra-long wire fitting supports extending the hose up to 20 meters, significantly expanding welding range for large structural components. The quick-change gooseneck system enables tool-free and skill-free replacement, allowing fast and effortless swaps without specialized tools or technical expertise. Stable wire fitting ensures consistent melting and weld pool filling, effectively preventing defects, porosity, slack inclusion, lack of fusion, while producing high-quality, durable welds. Compact design with 1.1 kilograms lightweight construction for enhanced portability and maneuverability. Ship hulls require massive steel plate welding over long distances with strict seam strength or sealing. FAIRINO's lightweight push-pull welding torch ensures stable wire fit in all positions, flat, vertical, overhead, boosting efficiency. FAIRINO's lightweight push-pull welding torch maintains stable wire fit in demanding steel welding applications, outdoor sites, tight spaces, ensuring reliable weld quality despite tough conditions.